It's now becoming a norm for the generals of the Defence Force to come and mislead this committee. I still repeat, there are ships and the aircrafts who are unserviceable. When we ask from you, you cry about budget cut. And on the other side, you do have resources, I still repeat. You do have resources that we are spending on the mission DRC. But today the general says, and the minister, the money, all the resources comes from SADC. The minister, she even said, all those 15 countries that we are counting are the ones who are supporting the mission. This is what you said, Minister. And in those 15 countries, is our country excluded from using resources, the taxpayers' money of this country, to go and support something that it's not clear? What is happening in the DRC? Don't think maybe you are dealing with blind people or people who cannot think. We are not dealing with people who cannot think here. That is why I've said from the onset, can you tell the nation and the world, what is it that we are defending there that makes you to take the payers' money, the taxpayers' money? The money that is supposed to be servicing things that are not right, like ships. You always tell us that ships are not working. That is why you are not able to do this and to do that. And you want one of your generals, some of your generals, they once presented to us that there are 2 billion, there's a 2 billion that went to assist the mission of the mission in the DRC. But today, you mislead us. You tell us that no, the money is from SADC, and the money it's from, I don't know where does the money come from exactly. Because we are talking about, as the honorable from the left side, from my left-hand side, said, you are busy telling us about 15 countries. What are those countries? And who are those? Really, you're talking about 15 statesmen who took decision. What does that mean? What does that mean? Does that mean we must be involved? We must be involved in internal affairs of other countries? Going around, because we are South Africa, going around and defending all these countries, because we have become an African defense force. There's no peace that is being kept there. Is being kept there. Okay. We are not keeping any peace.
Can you wrap up?
Yes, I'll wrap up. You are not doing any peacekeeping. Tell the world, what is it that you are defending at the expense of these soldiers? Lastly, can you bring back the soldiers? Can our soldiers be removed from the DRC back to the country? Please. Thank you.
Thanks, Chairperson. Chairperson,